Are we bearish? I just took a shower. I just take a shower, so I'm all clean, but my hair is super wet, so whatever. Let's see. What should the poll be? Are you still holding out for alt season? That's a good poll. Hey. Aloe, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the live stream. At least we're back in resistance, though. So, I mean, there's some sort of argument there. There's some sort of argument here. Dude, I was looking at Shiba. Man, Shiba's so bearish. It didn't even have that big of a move with BTC pump. It was one of the lowest pumps. It only went up 4%. Only 4%. And BTC had a pretty, I mean, was it also 4%? Let's see. No, BTC went up, yeah, 8%. So I can't believe it's only half. Usually it's supposed to be the other way around, where it goes up way more, but apparently not. Oh, let's look at the crypto bubbles. My favorite. Crypto bubbles. Bubbles. Let's see. Let's look at it on the daily, and let's take a look at today. Yeah, everything's red again. Oh my god, Pippin is getting wrecked, man. I hope Triple T's okay. Yo, he hasn't been here in a long time. So, I hope he's doing good. I hope he finished moving, and damn. I know that he had, or I don't know if he sold, but I know he had Pippin. So, I mean, it did top, though. I mean, it went to 90 cents. Did it hit our target? It actually did hit our target, huh? Yeah, it did. It hit our target, 86 cents. I guess technically on linear. That was never our target, actually, so never mind. It didn't hit our target. You just got rejected. Floofin, welcome. Welcome, Floofin. Aloe's here. Aloe says perpetual. I mean, you're still up, though. Theoretically, if you bought the low, you should still be up, though. Let's see. Let us see. Yeah, it's still bearish, man. For perpetual, if you're still holding it, yeah, this thing's cooked. You're probably going to come back down to 2 cents to 2 cents 40. Maybe you come back down here and then you get some sort of lower high, and then you go to 0, or you get that breakout and 9 to 25 cents will be in play. But you already broke critical support, so at this point, who knows whether it's going to get a bounce now and get stuck at resistance, making a lower high, and then validating some sort of like downtrend that we don't see forming yet, but we know it's coming. So yeah, your best bet is to get a reversal, have this be a wick, and have a giant green candle spawn in and take you back up to 9 cents to 25 cents. That would be the next upside move for perpetual protocol. But look how bearish this is, man. It's just so bearish. How can a coin go to $20 and then go back down to 2 cents? Like, how is this okay? And it's only a 1.3 million. Wow. We got 67% of the chat is still holding for alt season. We got 33% of the chat says no. No alt season. So Pippin's down. XTC, we used to make videos on XTC. Oh, MNT, this is, I think this is one of Flipcoin's coins. Let's take a look at it. Maybe he'll watch the video. Maybe he'll watch the live stream. Yeah, so Mantle, you're making your way up to resistance right now at 78 cents to a dollar. Keep in mind that's still hitting this downtrend. So you do need to break out of this area. Once you break out, then we can look at big moves to the upside. But as of right now, that is where traders will be taking profits, and you're looking at another 14 to 48% move from the current price. And if you ended up buying this low, then congratulations, because you're already up 29% right now. So not bad. And also on a side note, sorry, I just took a shower, so your freaking ears are all have water in them. We've been in yeah, we've been in extreme fear. Yeah, we've been in extreme fear for 30 days now. So do what you will with that information. But yeah. What's up, Dwayne Kelly? Let's look at your coin. Let's take a look at. Yeah, you're also still. That's not bad. You came up, you retested our area of support, and then you're making a higher low. It's still 193 to 234, which as of today is around a 5 to 25% move. Keep in mind you can still come up there, hit this downtrend, and make a lower high and get sent back down to the bottom of this channel. So what you really need to see with Tau is a clear break and confirmation over $234. But other than that, man, there's really nothing. There's really nothing to look at. So it is what it is. Floofin says, I met with a realtor today. I'm going to list my house for sale. Yo, Floofin is actually going to go all in on Bitcoin, man. Yo. Wow. But you bought at 68,000. I don't know why there's like my throat is so dry. Dude, that's crazy. Floofin, so you're not gonna just put it all in at once, right? Well, he sold his house for Dogelon. Yo, don't. Damn. I mean, that might not be a bad play. You'll just buy up all the tokens. You'll just be the whale in that case, right? You'll just have all the tokens. Floofin's average is 66k. Okay, that's not bad. So you're still up right now. Yo, Silver Days. Silver for days. Welcome to the live stream. Cali Gold says XPL moving. Is this a reversal? XPL. Ooh, you actually broke. Yeah, you broke this area. I would say it would be reversed. No, it's not a reversal yet. It's just a retracement. It would be a reversal over 23 cents. So you still have a lot of resistance. Keep in mind, congratulations. I mean, if you bought it here and you're selling it at resistance, you made a 65% move. So that's really good. And then the next target on the upside would be 14 cents. So that is your next target right now, 14 cents. If we are below 70k, yes, I'm all in. My average price for BTC is 76k. Yo. That's crazy, man. Hey, no matter what you do, good luck, and I really hope it works out for you. And just remember, if it doesn't, which I'm sure it will because you're buying Bitcoin and you're not gambling on altcoins, yeah, I don't think, I think you should be fine. It's like that one guy that sold his house and bought a bunch of XRP. Fernando, welcome. Welcome to the capitulation. Welcome to the capitulation of BTC on the live stream. Yeah, man. Hopefully Elon moves. I'm hoping I get a big move on Elon soon. Let's go, Elon. Bam, 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 bam. Let's go, Elon. Bam, 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 bam. Look at that. If I had bought the low, though, I would be up like 28%, though. That's a lot. That's a lot. Thanks, bro. You're welcome. Cali Gold says, yeah, almost 2x. I'm going to hold on for a bit. That's not a bad idea. And, you know, if we end up going back down, let's see. You still have the opportunity to sell and make profit. What you absolutely need to stay over is this this area, which was previously resistance. That's flip support, which is 9 cents 20. So you can see that holding that area still validates this uptrend and this channel, but otherwise it's just going to be a bear flag forming, and then you're going to get that next capitulation down. Fernando has been trading meme coins on LTF. I'm quite good at it, but a few times I mess up because I forgot not to FOMO. Oh, man. What's LTF? Yeah, even Dogecoin never ended up having a nice move up. Yeah. Silverday says, Fala Network. Let's check this out for you. Oh, wow. Let's go. I mean, it's still down so much, but hey, that's a pretty big move. Congratulations if you bought the low. You're up 84%. So, I mean, technically, on the shorter time frame, before the capitulation, obviously, yeah, you came up and you retested resistance here. So, if you end up staying over this level, you're looking at the next move up to 7 cents. But, I mean, you're so bearish. This is so bearish right now. Not even using that wick. That also does coincide pretty close to the 236. But you're still bearish under 6 cents and bullish over 11 cents. So, I mean, this is more of like a retracement, if anything, getting ready to make the next lower low. So, you absolutely need to keep price action over here in order for any sort of continuation. Because if you don't, it's going to go all the way back down. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. Fernando says low time frames. Oh, that's like okay, got it. Low time frames. Well, good luck, Fernando. Gilbert Dorito. Mr. Dorito says super fluid price on Coinbase, please. Super fluid? Is that a new coin? Oh my god, did they just add this on Coinbase? Yo, they just added this on Coinbase. Look at this, though. It's 11 million market cap, and it's only... Yeah, it's only 1.1 million diluted. Yo, this is a huge... Hey, where's Aloe at? Yo, Aloe, you should buy this coin. It's the lowest market cap on Coinbase, man. Yeah, I mean, as far as price action goes, yeah, I mean, it's bearish. There's really nothing to look at. But it is a gamble. November 2025. Yeah, it came out November 2025. Yeah, so I mean, it's very, 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 very bearish. You already had this liquidity wick to the 236 at 1 cent 80. I don't know where the next support is, but obviously this is no different than Vara, so just be careful. It might end up looking like this, where it doesn't have a bottom. So, but it is a very, very, very small market cap, but then again, you could say that for Vara. But technically, in your defense, it is a 1 million market cap, but the fully diluted is 11 and Vara's fully diluted is 10. So they're probably going to be releasing a whole bunch of coins. But again, it just got listed on Coinbase, so if it does grow, like we always say to the Aventus guy, the guy who always comes in here and asks for Aventus, like theoretically, if this thing grows, then and gets listed on more than just Coinbase, because it's not on anything right now, then you have a lot of upside potential because it's such a small market cap. But if they just leave that here and then it just stays and it doesn't have any sort of volume or partnerships or whatever, then this thing is going to look no different than Vara. $1 million on Coinbase is still pretty crazy. Yeah, they turned Coinbase into a giant farm. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god. Aloe, where are you at? Look at this. Oh my god. We were just looking at Power Protocol, dude. What happened? Just another rug. Yo, we were just looking at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Look at this. Oh, wow. Dude, that's insane. Oh my god. What's up, Smash Toshi? Welcome to the 17-minute mark of the live stream, where we are looking at rug pulls and we're looking at coins that just go straight down to zero. Welcome. I welcome you. Oh, it has no liquidity, like literally nothing. So you can't even buy it if you tried. Yeah, that's... it's crazy because back in the day, Coinbase had the most amount of liquidity. Oh, look at my cat. Hi. Hi, Angel. Oh my gosh. Look at this. You want to say hi to the 10 people in my live stream? Look at this. What a sweet, sweet cat. I gotta turn on the... There you go. Hey, it's okay. Excuse me. Sorry, I got distracted by the cat. It flattened out on the fives. Time to ape. Dwayne Kelly says AVT on Robinhood. No. That's Aventus. AVT is Aventus. So it's Aventus. Aventus is on Robinhood. I did see it, but I don't like it because look at the tokenomics. Me and you are gonna buy one of these coins one day that are done distributing supply. Look at Aventus's distribution schedule. Look at this. They come out and then they release so many coins. Okay, it's okay if it's if the difference between the market cap and the fully diluted isn't that much. But when you have such a big discrepancy where it's like 50 million to more than three times that, then it becomes an issue, which I'm not a big fan of. But no, not Aventus. I'm talking about Aventus, so ABT. This one. Very small market cap, another gamble play. But I mean, as of right now, because this is old, I wouldn't even take... I would rather touch this one, Superfluid. Because, dude, they just listed this on Coinbase, and it's a 1 million market cap. You might actually get a big move on this coin. But you just have to make sure you sell and don't get greedy with it. Which the majority of us will just hold it to like a billion or try to. But anyway. Yeah, yeah. Time to ape. Oh yeah, what happened to ape coin? Ape is 10 cents. Yeah. Brutal. There's really nothing to look at, man. They also diluted the crap out of the market. Welcome to Goblin Town. I'm the mayor. Update on PYR supply. Was this the one that temporarily... Oh yeah, this is the one that ended. Yeah, so I'm assuming you're gonna see something like this happen with Beam. So PYR actually, you're done. Selling should be over. Selling pressure should be over, which is actually bullish. This is bullish for PYR. You might be getting some sort of move soon. You just got to make sure you get out, man. But not financial advice, just my opinion, obviously. I have to say that. Yeah, so you might actually be putting in a bottom right now for PYR. I'm going to go super conservative because even this itself is, it's 160 to 5x, and you're still validating this downtrend. So, I don't know. How do I feel about this? Yeah, sorry, man. I'm going to just kind of play a little bit conservatively because I'm too scared. But I would say, conservatively speaking, and I don't know if you're planning on holding this, but I mean, there is no more distribution. I mean, there's no more coin distribution. So you're almost fully diluted as of right now. You're 90% diluted and there's no more distribution. So most like they might actually have some tokens burned, but I'll have to look into that. I would say targets on the upside for a retracement is 59 cents to $1.04. And then for a reversal, it would be, yeah, for a reversal, it would be $1.83. Once you break $1.83, all this is invalidated and targets to the upside are all become live. Oh, bro, it's only 10% released. I know. It's so bad. It's so bad. And people that don't like, when OXT first came out on Coinbase, I didn't even know about market cap. When OXT first came out, they were 9 million. OXT was the lowest market cap coin. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to buy it. And the price was like 13 cents. Okay. So now, and just to show you guys how crazy the dilution is, guys, at 9 million, the market cap was at 9 million market cap, the price was 14 cents. The market cap right now is 17 million. So it's only what, like 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $8 million more than what it was when it first came out. And the price is literally like a tenth of what it was, or I guess an eighth of what it was. Freaking OXT, man. Floofin, meow, how many hours would you guess that you have put into understanding crypto and Bitcoin? I still don't even understand it, man. But a lot. I mean, since 2018. That's when I first started. Right here. I started here. Whenever XLM was at like 10 cents, 10 to 12 cents. Which is funny because it's at 15 cents right now. I might as well have just like bought and held XLM. I would have kept all my money. Yeah, I started here. Yeah, here. End of 2018. This is where I started my crypto journey. So, I don't know. I mean, I started my YouTube channel, or I started taking it like live streaming and everything, November of 2023. Damn, it's almost been 3 years. Oh my gosh, man. I've been at this for 3 years. That's a long time. Oh man, I'm tired of this. I'm already tired, man. And we got like 20 people, like we have 17 people in the chat right now. We've been at like between 20 and 40, 60 when it's really bullish. It's just brutal. Let's see. Would you more than 10K hours, would you say? 10,000 hours is a long time. Let's just say 500 hours every single year. I think that's reasonable. So what's 700 hours times 2018? 8. So 500. So I would say like 4,000 hours. I'm in probably like 4,000 hours in the past 8 years. Yeah, 8 years. It's not like I do this full time. Yeah, XLM just broke into macros. Remember when I was saying, hey, once we break this area, the next target is here, and everyone laughed at me? I'm just joking. Some of you did. Remember that guy that came in here and said, oh my God, like, you don't know what you're talking about. Bitcoin's never going to break below $90,000. And I literally was like, hey, when it does, I'm never going to see you again. And he didn't. And I haven't seen him since. Because just people come in here and just say, oh, XLM's never going back down to 15 cents, 11 cents. Yeah, well, what do you know? We're back at 15 cents. Like, how did Dogecoin get a gold certifying thing? What is that? How does this have a gold badge? And BTC doesn't have that. Wow. Yeah, this has a blue one. Huh. Interesting. I wonder what that even means. Flufin says, I've been here for 4 years. There's over 8,000 hours in a year. So I'd say I've put in several thousand hours. Yeah, I would say so too. I mean, 4,000 hours isn't really, it is a lot, but I mean, if you spread it out like throughout 8 years, it's really not that much. Because think about it, like if I live stream every single day this year, which I am going to, because I need to grow, obviously. If I live stream every single day for 1 hour at least, that's 365 hours. So let's just say 365, and that's just live streaming. That's not even the videos and everything afterwards. Dude, my cat loves sitting here. Hey, what's up? Hi, what are you doing? What? Oh, she wants to be pet now. Hey, what are you doing? Do you need attention? Do you want to play? I think she wants to play. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna turn. That's what I'm gonna turn my channel into. Look, we just went and got. We just went to Home Goods or whatever, and we just went and got this little toy. It's a cappuccino coffee toy. Isn't that cool? Hey, you want to come play? Here, let's see if you do a little jumping thing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she loves this toy. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but anyway, that's what we're gonna do. I mean, there's like nothing going on. We have 16 people in here, and we're all basically losing money. I'm just joking, but I mean, yeah, we're basically just waiting for our coins to go up. And I'm done with Elon anyway. I'm done with Elon soon, so I should probably make an update video. Yeah, because there's really nothing to look at. Oh. Let me put this in here. There we go. All right. Yeah, I should probably make an Elon video. Taking a look at Dogelon Mars on the live stream. So we haven't looked at Dogelon Mars in a while, but that's also because it really hasn't been doing anything. So it's about that time for me to make a video and just basically say the same thing that we've been saying. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Anyway, what the heck? Anyway, so nothing has changed with our targets as of right now. It's still 7 zeros 43 to 7 zeros 57. So the last time we looked at it, we kind of drew a bar because the price was a lot lower. We were talking about this at 32. And we said, hey, if we get this retracement, we do have resistance overhead at 7 zeros 43 to 7 zeros 57. Keep in mind, if we still come back up here, we could still get stuck and get sent back down, making a lower low, and it's still bearish as long as it's under this area. Once it does break this area, then we'll start taking a look at the targets on the upside. But as of right now, it's still unfortunately very bearish. So there's really nothing much to talk about right now. Once we break 57 to the top side, then we can start taking a look at on the bigger time frame. But that's about it. I will keep you updated. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. And I'll catch you in the next video. There we go. Cali Gold says meow. Oh my gosh. Hey, you can't bite the end of this. Come on. Damn. She's crazy. She likes biting the end of it. And it always breaks. No biting it. Right? Yeah, I feel like I'm in the wrong field. I should be making videos on just me playing with my cat all day. I feel like that'll get a lot more views. Yeah, rather than crypto videos. Oh my gosh. What's up, the Crypto Undead? Welcome to... Oh my gosh, how are you, man? TCU is in the house. I hope you're doing well. I hope everything's good. I hope you're doing good and your job, you know, you're doing good at your job and all that stuff. So I hope everything is good for you, man. I haven't seen you live in a while. I hope you'll... When's the next time that you're going to live? And then on a second note, I know you have cats, so... what the heck? How did this happen? I know you have cats, so check out this toy. It's like a little coffee toy. It's like a... Man, I got it tangled. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's a little cappuccino coffee. So my cats are going crazy for this right now. I think there's like catnip in there too. So I'll put it here. Maybe they'll come. Maybe they'll jump up there. But yeah, I'm glad you're by. At least we're not on OXT right now. But look, man. Look at it. I don't have it anymore. But man, look at this. Would you take a look at this? Brutal. Just brutal. Crypto on says went live today. Did you? I didn't get any notifications, or maybe I was busy. Oh, you did. Wait. Oh, you streamed 3 hours ago. What was I doing? Yeah, I couldn't. It was 2:30. I was probably in the middle of like working. I didn't see it. Hey, look, I like. Let's go like and sub. Thank you. I just gotta say that, liked and subbed.
Volume turning red.
Alrighty. Yeah, there's really nothing going on today. It was probably a slow live stream, right? Nothing going on tonight too. So, where did you learn your TA skills? Just watching other people, Google, YouTube in general. You know, it's just a collective of like how other people look at coins and stuff, and I just made it my own. Subscribe to Crypto Undead, everyone. Yeah, definitely go check out TCU, the Crypto Undead. He also will look at your coin and basically tell you that it's either going to zero or it's or you have a chance. So if I were to ask the Crypto Undead for Dojo on Mars, he'd probably be like, "My man, no, you know how he always says, you know how you always say, oh, all right, my man, it's going to zero, it's going down. I hope not. Crap, let me get out, man. Let me get out. Let me out." Yeah, my cat Louie likes to bite. That's cute. Altcoin if you can, thanks. What's up, Clifford the dog? Welcome. Let's take a look at Altcoin. I don't think anything's happening with it, but we can take a look at it for you. Yeah, so nothing's really happening with Altcoin. Once you break 2023, unfortunately, you're validating this downtrend. And And I mean, you're bearish under 23, so this is critical area that absolutely needs to hold. If it doesn't hold, oops. Yeah, if it doesn't hold, then just expect a bigger move down. I don't even think you have, do you have support? Yeah, you still technically have support. So you see how it coincides perfectly with the 618. Technically, you still have support at 2015. If it does break that, if it does break this area, you are bearish, but the next landing pad, which also coincides with this downtrend, is going to be around 2015. So that, but I'm not going to draw that yet because we're still at least over the 236, and we still at least have the opportunity to get some sort of reversal or relief rally, or as Al likes to say, a protection bounce. Yeah, market is dead right now. Yeah, man. AI XBT. I'll take a look at that. TCU says, does not look good. Everything going to zero, my man. Everything going to zero, my man. My man. Yeah. Everything, yeah, dude. That's why I'm only buying BTC this next cycle, and I'm going to have my Robinhood up, and I'm just going to put the rest of my money, which is 3,600 plus obviously what I took out with OXC last year, and then the year before with Elon. I'm just going to dollar cost average everything into BTC when we get that when we start actually breaking down, because you've been here long enough to know that, hey, it gets pretty bad, man. When Bitcoin goes down, like you already know, you've seen it. So a lot of people that were in here earlier are like, oh, it's never gonna break 90,000. Oh, it's never gonna break 80,000. Like they have no idea what's coming, man. I just went, and I always say this, and I love it because it's like, just when you think it can't go any lower, it goes lower. So that's literally how it works. AI XBT. I'm assuming it's this, right? By virtuals. Oh my god. Yo, can you confirm, Silver Days, that this is the right coin? Yeah, bro, I'm done. TC, I'm done with alts, man. I'm only buying BTC. Very Floofin says the best analyst in crypto thinks it is going lower. Who's the best analyst? Like, who's actually the best analyst? I'll defer to him. I don't even think we're that far off from the bottom, though. Because, again, Floofin, like, just like I've said every single time for you, it doesn't matter where you're buying. So I don't care if even if you bought it at 70,000, even if you bought it at 80,000, we know based off the history of what BTC has done every single cycle, we know that it will at least go back up to these levels. So I'm broke. I don't have a house to sell to put into BTC. So I hope you don't take it personally when I'm like, hey, I want to buy for where I think is where it's going to bottom, which is starting at 58, and then best case scenario, I get it at 43. But I mean, how much lower are we actually gonna go from 43? Probably we probably won't even hit 43. But that's just a pipe dream. And that's like, oh, at least I'll be ready if in case it does. If in case we do get a flash crash, because I need to get in for as cheap as possible, because I'm coming off from holding altcoins for 6 years that are literally at their all-time lows. So there was no dollar cost averaging for me. It was just basically a sinkhole. The sellers never stop. They don't. They come out of nowhere. I don't know. I just saw it on Crypto Bubbles. Where? Damn, wait, where? What am I missing? LTC is up 1%. Yeah, I mean this looks like it's having a nice move. 50%. How's Billy doing? Are these coins going up right now? No, but man, if I were to get in, I would get in now. Like this is the time to buy. It looks like you're just getting ready to you're just getting coiled up, getting ready for the next lower high. If you're holding it, you're going to get wrecked, but if you're trading it, then you're looking at a quick like 50 to 100% pump. Let's go. Benjamin Cohen. Oh, he thinks we're bearish too. Oh, how low is Benjamin Cohen? How low does Benjamin Cohen think that we're going? Flufin says no, the bottom is very close. Aloe says I watched one of Vision's vids, basically saying a lot of people are bearish. I'm not seeing these people. Most of the YouTubers are bearish. We got 20 votes in. Are you still holding out for alt season? We have 55% saying yes, so 55% of the chat is bullish. So the chat is bullish. We got 45% saying no, and they're basically done. Flippin says, I'm with you, bro. I hope it goes into the 50s just in time for me to go all in with the equity from my house. You can't just take out a reverse mortgage. Like, do you actually have to sell your house? Or can't you take out a line of credit or a loan on your house? I mean, that's horrible, like, for me to even say that because, I mean, not really, but do you really have to sell your house? Because don't you also have to pay capital gains on your house? But if you actually do a reverse mortgage or if you actually do a line of credit and you use your house, then you don't have to pay taxes on that. So you just take that and you're basically gambling it, but not really because you know it's going to go up. So he says there's at least one or more lower low. I think so too. He says there is at least one more low. Oh, at least no. I think there's going to be at least two more lower lows. I think we go down to 58 and then we go back and then we go down to wherever. Excuse me. So yeah, I think at most, sorry, he said at least. I guess I'll say I think at most we're in for two more lower lows. But maybe we even come back down to 60,000 and that could be it. It could be a double bottom followed by a breakout. Because isn't that what happened? No, that didn't happen last time. You actually did end up making a lower low. Yeah, so we've already been through this. Okay? We're here right now. So one more, two more. Right? One more, two more. It doesn't have to happen every single time. One more, and then maybe two more making a higher low and breaking out and breaking the cycle, but I don't know. Or breaking the previous pattern. He thinks BTC goes below the 200 moving average. I do too. That's exactly what I think. I think that, and this is where I'm getting this information from. So, look. Let me go back. So, from 2014, every bear market and I showed this multiple times, but I feel like repetition is like, it's going to really allow us to all be on the same page and understand this. You got capitulation, bottom out 29% from the moving average, from the 200-day moving average weekly. You have 2020 bear market, 29%, around 30% from the moving average. Even back here, once you broke the moving average, you actually ended up getting sent back down 30% from the moving average. And then once we broke over it and stayed over it, then the rest is history. So 30% from the moving average here is going to be around 41,000. Okay. So if I can get in starting 58,000, which is the 200-day moving average, and if I could put all my money in all the way down to 41,000, then theoretically, based off of history and all of our data, we will be buying the low. So That's where I'm buying it, and that's my thought behind. That's my reasoning behind it. So, and we just showed, like I just showed you, why I think that, because it's happened every single time. Ben needs to be wrong for once. He's due. Floofin says debt is my enemy, not an option. That's good. Debt is really bad. You don't want to have debt. No capital gains on sale of primary residence here in your country. Wait, what the hell? You pay no capital gains on... Where do you... Oh, you live in Canada. Yeah, but do I really want to go live with the penguins? No, I'm just joking. That's not even where the penguins live, right? But it is cold, and it does snow. Those are perfect. That's a perfect environment for penguins. But anyway, let's see. Alo says he's mostly going off of 2022 though, so that's only one example, not enough of a basis. Bajornabek says, "What's up? I'm making a ton of money. My name is Bajornabek. I own the #1 pizzeria in the world. I can't wait to go to Singapore and have everybody come and visit me." I'm just joking. But you do own the best pizza bar, the best pizza joint in the world, Bajornabek. I can't wait to eat your pizza one of these days. 40K before the pump. Oh, TCU's bearish. Hey, TCU, are you also buying BTC with us? Are you buying BTC with me and Floofin? I mean, Floofin already has his BTC, but he's buying more. But are you going to buy it with me? Or are you still going to be buying altcoins? And it's okay if you are, obviously. It doesn't matter. But if the U.S. Wait. In the U.S., you get a 250K allowance, 500K if you're single. Wait, what do you mean? Are you a troll? Like, is that a troll thing to say? In the US, do you get a tax break on selling a house? Oh my gosh, wait, you're not trolling. Yes, in the US, you can get a significant tax break when you're selling your main home if you meet the ownership and use tests. You can exclude up to $250,500 for married couples filing jointly. Ooh, let's go! I'm married. We could buy a $500,000 house. Of capital gains from your income, making that profit tax free. Whoa. Okay, ownership test. You own the home for at least 2 of the 5 years leading up to the sale. 2 of the 5 years. Wait, what? You own the home for at least 2 of the 5 years leading up to the sale. So you, oh, okay. So you have to live in it for 2 years, and then you could sell it after 5. Or you sell it after 5. Got it. So that means that you could live there for 2 years, you could rent it out for 3, and then you could sell it. Got it. Use test. You lived in the home as your primary residence for at least 2 of the 5 years. Yes, okay, I already read that. Time limit. You cannot have used this exclusion for another home. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not going to be a problem for me. Exceptions. If you sold due to job changes, health issues, or unforeseen circumstances, you qualify. Losses. If you sell your home for a loss, you cannot deduct that loss from your taxes. Damn. Oh, wow, you're right. Aloe's right, man. Let's go. Okay. I don't have a house, so I don't need to worry about that, but let's go. Oh, you have polar bears. Yo, polar bears in Canada, man. That's scary. I heard they're very dangerous and aggressive. Fact. I can't wait for you guys to come here. I buy from 35 to 35. Oh, 30. Dude. Bajornabek, you are crazy. If it goes there, good for you. But that's crazy. I don't know if BTC is going back down that low. And the only reason why I said that in Vision Chat is because I wanted to find a reason to give him super chats. So look at Matt. Oh yeah, it's going to 20K. Imagine though. Imagine it does go to 20K. He's gonna come out of the woodworks. He's gonna be like, "Hey, you remember that deal you made?" No, I don't actually, because the guy who I used to watch live streaming, it just disappeared. He's been making videos, and I'm not gonna watch the videos anymore. He'll be back. He'll be back with the He'll be back with his C7 or C8. C8. If I can sell my Elon and not lose 99%, yes. Bro, same here. What is that? It's at $3,600 right now. Mine's at $3,600 right now. Yeah, what am I gonna? How much BTC can I buy with that? TCU says I'm going in on BTC this summer. Let's go. Why do you always think I'm trolling? It's your. I don't know. I don't know why I think you're trolling. Did you ever troll once and I like remember that? Because I don't know. There has to be there has to be a psychological reason why I think you're trolling all the time. Did you like mess with me like one time and then now I think you're trolling, or am I just making that up and am I just crazy? It's your primary residence for 2 of the 5 years. You can't rent it out for 4 years. Yeah. So I have it for 2. I live there for 2 years, and then I rent it for 3 years, and then I sell it. 102 votes, 5-star, and 5-star on Google. Dude, let's go. That sounds good. Dude, you know what sounds really good right now? Pizza. You know what we're having for dinner? We got a box pizza, which we should really actually start making our own. But we're going to get to that point. But our kitchen is like Mickey Mouse's kitchen, where it's very small. So we can't both be in there. Otherwise, we'll freak out because it's so small. And, you know, you need space. You need your own space because you're just like in there and you're like so... Like, you know, someone bumps into you and you're holding a knife, you might accidentally kill somebody in there, you know? So we have a boxed pizza. That's where I was going with this. And for dinner, we're going to have pizza and tomato soup. I love tomato soup. Usually we do tomato soup with grilled cheese, but man, pizza sounds so good. Hey, I don't mean to disappoint you, Bajornabek. Because I know you're like the pizza snob and you love good pizza. I can tell you right now, this is just eating to survive. It's not eating because we think that the pizza's good. Just FYI. I did my own taxes for a few years, so I learned a lot about the tax code. Okay. You got the tax attorney in the chat. Only polar bears way up north. I live southern Canada near USA. Canada have it rough. I couldn't imagine living there. I can't either. It's too cold. I can't do it. It's great living here. Yeah, but it's because you like the cold. I can't. I'll melt in the snow. I thrive in the heat. Yeah, I troll with crypto sometimes, but that's it. Anything else I don't troll. Yeah, because you didn't troll with the house thing too, with like the mobile home thing. That was like 2 years ago, but that was a long time. I want to get Michelin Guide and be the first Michelin pizzeria in Thailand. Bro, do it. What's your favorite box pizza? Okay, so we don't have a favorite box pizza, obviously. I don't even know what kind we have. Actually, let me go see. That's a good point. What is this? Alright, it's what is this? Hey, what's up, guys? It's a margarita pizza. And we just got it from Trader Joe's. So it's like it's just like there's no brand or whatever. It literally just says margarita pizza. I like margarita, I like mushroom, I like veggies. I don't do pepperoni or meats on there. Sometimes chicken. I'll do chicken, but man, I love veggies. Like veggie supreme, black olives, onions, bell peppers, all the peppers. Dude, that sounds so good. What's the most popular pizza that you sell Bajornabeck in terms of toppings? Tomato soup plus macaroni and boiled egg. That sounds like heaven. In Thailand, seafood, and Hawaii. Hawaiian pizza, like what is that? Pineapple? I don't really do pineapple with my pizza, but that's fine. It's like if I was like dying and I needed to eat, I would definitely do that. But it wouldn't be like my number one choice. Hawaiian pizza without pineapple, isn't that just cheese pizza? I also like cheese pizza. My favorite is taco pizza and Meat Fest ham, pepperoni, salami, beef. Yeah, I try to stay away from all the processed meats. So I don't really do the meats. I just do veggies. Best pizza in the world is located within 30-mile radius, and it's in New Jersey. Yo, you better take that back. Best pizza in the world is Bajornabeck's pizza, man. No, I'm just joking, Smash Toshi. New Jersey. It's funny. I was actually there like a couple years ago. I played in a tournament there for cards. I lost, and then I was over the game because I lost and I can't handle losing. So, yeah, fun. True story. Pineapple in Thailand is on another level. My favorite pizza is pepperoni, bacon, mushroom. I like mushroom, olive, onion, bell pepper. Yeah, so I like that. I just don't like the pepperoni and the bacon. And that's just for health purposes. Talking about food, this is now a vision stream. Yeah, man, he hasn't been live, so I've got to keep the spirit up, man. We've got to get ready for him to come back, and then we could just see. Maybe he has a baby now. Like, imagine like a little baby Vision running around in the back. Wow, BTC is going to zero. No, I'm just joking. I mean, we don't know anything about it. Like, we don't know anything about him. I only have black olives on veggie pizza. That sounds good. I compete with Detroit and infuse that with Norway/Croatia. Man, that sounds good. Sounds really good. Yo, God's Rare Creation. You don't even have to ask. You want Aventus? I'll take a look at it for you. I already know what he's gonna say, so I don't like. He doesn't even need to like ask me. Yeah. So for Aventus, we actually looked at this earlier, and I thought about you. Because we were talking about Aventus, and then we were talking about Aventus. So, for Aventus, keep in mind, very small market cap. I always say this just in case because we have new people in the chat. Very, very high risk, high reward play. It's been on Coinbase for a while now. Very small market cap, very low supply, and it's almost fully diluted. It does need to expand. It does need to grow because it's only on Coinbase right now. So, that's first and foremost. Second of all, you need to get over 63 cents. I'm not redrawing this chart just yet. So you need to get, you need to break 63 cents ASAP. The next major area of support for Aventus is going to be around 31 cents. That is around a 50% capitulation. So that will be extremely, extremely bearish case scenario if we do capitulate. Okay. On the upside, you still have resistance at, I don't know why I don't know if I'm like allergic or what just happened, but overhead, you have resistance at $1.19 to $1.80, which is around a 90 to a 200% pump. Okay. So you can still come back to that area, get stuck, come back down. But first and foremost, the first level that you need to get through is 63 cents. If you don't, 30 cents is a live target on the downside. As much as I hate telling you that, just be careful. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And you wrote Aventus, and I knew you were going to write Aventus. So there you go, buddy. Pizza is A-tier food. I love pizza. My dough is rated the best in Thailand right now because of this. I am thinking of opening up a bakery. Well, why don't you just have a bakery and a pizzeria? Imagine if the biggest brands order from me. Or you could just have boxed pizzas too. You know how like DiGiorno does it? Oh, it's not delivery, it's DiGiorno. You know what I'm talking, you know the commercial? Oh, it's not delivery. It's DiGiorno. Yeah, why don't you, if your pizza's that good, you could also box up your pizza and you could sell it to your grocery outlets. S tier is probably Mediterranean food. That's right. I love Mediterranean food. Some beef kebabs on the stick with some tomatoes and the onions with rice. Woo! I love me some Mediterranean food. I need to learn how to cook that, which I know how to cook, but it's hard, especially because it's like a lot of it is beef and lamb and like red meats and stuff. I need to just do it with chicken and white meats like turkey, chicken, make it a little bit more healthier. Why you think I mix with Croatia hoof? Do it, Bajorn, but separate the pizza restaurant. Oh, you want to? Yeah, I guess. Yeah. So you don't want to just have one place with like multiple things. That's gonna be too much. It's not gonna be too much, man. You could do it, man. I would do it. Just do it. Nike, man. Just do it. Bajornabek says I can't have vegetable most iconic spice blend from Croatia. God's rare creation. Let's go. First super chat of the night for 2 beans. Thank you. I appreciate it. We've been live for about an hour now too, so thank you so much for that, man. I really hope it works out for you. I really hope you at least get a reversal. But again, it's like if you sell, it's gonna go up. If you hold, it's gonna go down. It works like that every single time, man. So I hope this goes up. I hope this goes up to 100 million market cap and you literally get a 30x. So this has a lot of upside potential, okay? You know better than me if the developers are still building out the project. So just make sure they're not MIA. Make sure they're engaging with their investors, and make sure there's like social media and like they're not completely radio silent. So as long as you make sure that they're actually working towards something, then it's still okay because it's a pretty high risk, high reward coin. So thank you so much for the 2 beans. I'm afraid of the mafia. When you make money, they come to tax. Yeah, but you also get protection, right? Lamb? Yeah. You've never had lamb? Dude, lamb meat is like so tender. Lamb plus cabbage, salt, and pepper, bay leaf boil, 2 hours. That sounds really good. I'm not good at English, writer. No, we understand what you're saying. It sounds so good. It is really good. It is really good. The meat is just like top tier. It's top tier. Expensive, but top tier. Protection from nothing. It's all a scam. Well, come to the U.S. Hey, Bajornabek, come to the U.S. Go to New Jersey and open up a shop in New Jersey. Make a pizza shop in New Jersey, man. Yeah, you got to bring your family. Come to the States. I think you would do great, man. You can bring that Thai pizza over to the Thai pizza over to oh hey the Crypto Undead. Are you still here? 2028. Hey, what's up? Oh man. Okay, hey, look at these two outdoor cats. Hey guys, are you guys hungry? Hey. Let's see. Hey. What's up, guys? I don't want to really like show any like other information on there, but like I hope no, I guess you saw my little kitty thing. My cat likes to sit on my. Those are the outdoor cats. There's only one of them. You could kind of see one of them, but damn. I must drive. Forgive me some gym clothes. Give my son some gym clothes. Yeah, but Jordanbeck, we're probably gonna end the live stream like in a couple minutes too. So thank you for coming by. And we could always take a look at your coins next time. And I hope everything well for you, man. And if you're going to the gym, then enjoy your workout. I did legs today. I hate legs, but I did it today. Man, I gotta move this. Damn. And then this little lady just always runs away because she knows I'm gonna pick her up. Yeah, other than that, I mean, it's pretty much yeah, everything's going down. Yeah, rats, nice. These damn rats. Wow. Alrighty. Well, back down we go, everyone. Back down we go. I think we're going to call it here. We've been live for about an hour and 10 minutes. So, yeah, so we're going to call it here. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. This is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Have a great day. Have a great night. We are going to be live again tomorrow, but it is going to be a little bit later than usual. So it's not going to be at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It is going to be a little bit later. I'll obviously put in this. I'll schedule it out in the morning for when we will go live. So that way everyone will know. But anyways, have a great night. And if I don't catch you in the live stream tomorrow, just have a great day tomorrow. And I hope our coins go up. I hope we get some sort of relief rally, or as Allo doesn't say, protection bounce before we start going down. Because if some of these coins don't, which I'm hoping we do, if they don't, then I mean we're just gonna make lower lows. Like you just had a nice dead cat bounce, and we're gonna go back down, and a lot of us are gonna be in this situation, like in this position where it's gonna suck. So hopefully it does. And yeah, I will see everybody in tomorrow.